is seductive. Drones that deliver packages, inspect wind turbines, or fly search and rescue missions with zero human input. Press a button and walk away. That's the promise. The reality, most of what people think AI can do is science fiction dressed up as a product demo. Today, we're separating hype from capability. You'll learn which AI tools genuinely upgrade your workflow and which ones are just expensive placeholders waiting for regulations that don't exist yet. By the way, there's one AI feature that's legal, affordable, and doubles your turnaround speed on mapping jobs. I'll show you exactly which one in 3 minutes. Subscribe now so you don't miss next week's breakdown of AI-powered client proposal templates that close deals faster. Let's start with what works. Modern drones use AI for obstacle avoidance. Not the see everything perfectly kind, the slow down when sensors detect something kind. It's collision mitigation, not full autonomy. GPS waypoints get smarter with terrain-following algorithms that adjust altitude over slopes. That's real. That's billable. Data interpretation is where AI shines. Thermal cameras paired with machine learning tag hotspots on solar panels in real time. AI counts cattle, flags diseased crops, and highlights power line anomalies while you're still flying. That's not future tech, that's Tuesday. Specialized missions are the sweet spot. 3D mapping software like Drone Deploy or Pix4D uses AI to auto-stitch thousands of images into georeferenced models. Security drones patrol preset routes and alert you to motion anomalies. These aren't sentient robots. They're rule-based systems with smart triggers. Here's what nobody tells you about autonomous security patrols. There's a compliance catch that'll kill your contract if you miss it. Coming up, full autonomy is the biggest lie in the industry. Marketing shows drones making complex decisions in unpredictable environments. Reality? Part 107 requires visual line of sight and a human pilot in command at all times. Beyond visual line of sight, waivers exist, but they're rare, heavily restricted, and usually require a chase vehicle. True autonomy isn't legal for most commercial ops. Then there's the regulatory wall. Even if your drone could navigate a city autonomously, airspace restrictions, privacy laws, and liability frameworks haven't caught up. That sleek delivery drone video? It's flying in a test corridor with special FAA authorization. You can't replicate that for a roofing inspection in Detroit. Human judgment still dominates. AI can suggest a flight path, but it can't assess wind gusts, negotiate with a nervous property owner, or make the call to scrub a mission when weather turns and clients hire you for your expertise, not a robot. The drone is a tool. You're the operator. That compliance catch for security patrols? You still need Part 107 certification, and you're legally responsible for every second the drone's airborne. Automated doesn't mean unsupervised. Miss that, and your insurance won't cover incidents. Here are the AI features you should adopt today. Intelligent flight modes like Active Track, Spotlight, and POI use computer vision to keep subjects centered while you focus on camera settings. That's AI doing the boring work so you deliver cinematic shots. Quick mission planning software auto-calculates overlap percentages for mapping. You save 20 minutes per flight plan. Automated photo tagging is the underrated MVP. Upload a roof inspection, and AI labels every shingle anomaly before you touch the keyboard. That's your 30-minute QA process down to 5 faster turnarounds, mean more jobs per week. The feature that doubles mapping speed? Automated ground control point recognition. New software like Propeller Arrow Points or DJI Terra reads GCP markers mid-flight and geo-referenced your data instantly. No post-processing guesswork. That's real AI leverage. Swarm intelligence is moving from labs to limited commercial use. Multiple drones coordinate to survey large areas faster. Think agricultural fields or disaster zones. It's not Skynet. It's choreographed teamwork with a human supervisor. Early adopters in search and rescue are seeing 40% coverage improvements. Regulatory approval? Still years out for most applications. Adaptive learning is the next evolution. Drones that adjust flight parameters based on wind patterns they encounter, or recognize new obstacles not in their database. It's machine learning applied to real-time conditions. The tech exists in prototypes. Commercial deployment? Maybe 2027 for mainstream platforms. The best future isn't full autonomy, it's collaboration. AI handling navigation and data collection while you make strategic decisions. Think co-pilot, not replacement. You choose the shot. AI stabilizes and tracks. You interpret client needs. AI delivers the analysis. That's the model that scales. Here's what to do. Invest in obstacle avoidance. It's safety and liability protection. Adopt intelligent flight modes. They elevate deliverable quality with zero extra effort. Use AI-powered editing and tagging software. It's pure time savings. Ignore full autonomy claims until your insurance and the FAA say otherwise. Stay current on BVLOS waivers if you're in infrastructure or agriculture. That's where regulatory expansion will happen first. Always run airspace checks through LLANC or AirMap before testing new AI features. Compliance isn't optional, even in autonomous mode. AI isn't replacing drone pilots. It's making capable pilots more efficient. The hype is annoying, but the tools are real. Adopt what's legal, ignore what's vaporware, and keep your certifications current. You're still the decision maker. The AI just handles the repetitive stuff. Hit subscribe and check the links below. Take the Drone Business Aptitude quiz and grab the drone launch box. Real AI wins. Obstacle avoidance, smart flight modes, and automated data tagging are live and profitable today. Hype reality. Full autonomy is legally restricted and years away from mainstream commercial use, human pilot essential. Judgment, compliance, and client trust require a qualified operator. AI is your co-pilot, not your replacement. Smart adoption. Invest in tools that save time and improve safety. Now ignore vaporware promises and always verify airspace compliance. Subscribe now. Next week, we're breaking down the exact AI-powered proposal template that wins infrastructure contracts without discounting. You'll get the framework, the language, and the close rate benchmarks. Don't miss it, or check the resources below. Take the Drone Business Aptitude quiz to find your best fit model, then grab the drone launch box for the quick start gear and tools you actually need. Both links are in the description. Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop.